Today in our kitchen we are making chicken spring rolls, and these are our ingredients for the filling. We need 1 small cabbage chopped, 3 large carrots grated, half a packet of boiled spaghetti, 1 spring onion chopped, 1 kg chicken mince, 1 tablespoon of garlic, ginger and green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. In a pan, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and add in the ginger and garlic. Fry it till it becomes golden brown at medium to low speed. Then when it is done, add in the chicken mince and cook it at low speed. And cook it patiently because mince takes a little time, but it will be cooked properly if you give it time. After mixing, cover it about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, mix it again. You have to cook it till the mince separates. Now after 7 minutes, our mince is done. Now we're going to increase the speed to medium speed and add in the spices and mix. Now I need to cook it at medium speed so the water that the mince release, it can dry up. Now add in the green chili paste. You don't have to add in the green chilies if you do not like spicy food. Now add in the vinegar and mix. The vinegar will give our filling a nice tangy taste. You can add soy sauce as well, but I do not like soy sauce, so I only add the vinegar. Now we're going to add in the vegetables. First the cabbage, then the carrots, then add in the spaghetti, then add in the chopped spring onions and mix. Mix it slowly and make sure that everything is spread out evenly in our filling. We're going to let our filling cool down for a few minutes. and then prepare our folding. We need to prepare a mixture of cake flour and water and our spring roll purr. I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to fold. There are many other ways, but these are just the easy ones. Our first way, place it like a square and add about 2 tablespoons of the filling. The amount of filling you add is all up to you. And then fold it. Add paste at the bottom. And fold the sides till it becomes like a pocket-like shape. And fold it tightly. Make sure you are holding it very tightly so our filling can stay secure inside. Then apply paste at the end and fold. And our first spring roll is done. Now second way, place the purr like a diamond and again add about 2 tablespoons of the filling away from the edge. In this case, the corner. Add paste at the top corner and bring it over the filling. And then close the flaps. And then fold it tightly again. You can choose whichever way you feel it's easy. And then you apply paste to the end and fold. And our spring roll is done. Now I'm going to do it the same for the rest of them. And there I folded about 50 of them and it took me the whole day, and I won't lie to you, it is quite time consuming. So I will suggest to you that you take out one day before Ramadan or in Ramadan and you fold. It's a big relief that you know that your spring rolls and samosas are freezing inside the freezer. You can fry it anytime you need. You can freeze them in an airtight container or anywhere where it's covered. And there, look how our spring roll is folded. And make sure you freeze but with one layer. Do not stack them because they will stick. I hope this video was helpful and you will try one of my ways. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.